Hi everyone. For this question, given a function here is a rational function and you can see denominator x minus 2. Denominator cannot be 0, so x cannot equal to 2. So this is a general condition that having in the rational function. Firstly, we need to find the composite function f over f, means f x. We need to find out what is that. Then set out the value of x when the function is undefined. So we perform the composite function, substitute fx, and this substitute again to the function, which means that the x here will be represented by the fraction. So we're going to substitute in here. Take this, substitute the place of x. So here is 3x over x minus 2. Then this is 3x over x minus 2. So we need to simplify this fraction over fraction, become a single fraction. For numerator, we expand. This is 9x over x minus 2. Divide. The denominator, we make it to the same denominator, x minus 2. This is 3x remain. And this denominator, we want it to make it the same denominator, x minus 2. So this denominator will time with x minus 2. And division, we make it to be multiplication. So inverse this function. Here we have 3 minus 2x, which is x. Then this is negative, negative, positive. And we can notice here, x minus 2 can be simplified. Then, therefore, our answer will be 9x over x plus 4. So when we come to this fraction, we see again, the question asks us to state out the x value where this is undefined. How to make the rational undefined? So the function of composite function undefined means it is not exist when the denominator equals to 0. So the x will be negative 4, which will make your function undefined. Then continue for the part B. Find the inverse function of fx and state out its domain. So f inverse equals to x. We're using composite method to find out our f inverse. Substitute f inverse into the function, so it becomes 3 f inverse over f inverse minus 2 equals to x. So what we need to do is we're doing the cross multiplication so that we can get an equation without fraction. After that, we collect back our f inverse term to the left hand side and take out our f inverse, factorize out, you can get it 3 minus x equals to negative 2. Then when you move it back to the right hand side, it will become dy. So you can put your answer in this form, or if you continue to simplify, we take out the negative and negative negative become positive. It will be 2 over x minus 3. So either you are answer me negative 2, 3 over x, it will be same as 2 over x minus 3. Right, so we have a color mistakes here. We have an x here. Alright, just now we multiply, cross multiply, we miss an x. So we multiply, put back the x here. Here is our final answer for the inverse function. Then we want to state out the domain. So the domain of inverse function, we will refer to the range, or you want to read directly also can. So the domain of the inverse function, you can see denominator will not equal to 0, x will not equal to 3. So domain will be negative infinity until 3, union 3 until infinity. Or you want to refer from the functions here. So if you want to refer to the functions here, make sure it is a proper fraction. So we want to find out what is your range of your function. So this is another method. doing the long division, x minus 2, so you times 3, you get 3x minus 6, balance is 6, which means that your function original is 3x over x minus 2. After long division, quotient is 3, then remainder is 6, division is 2. So when I want to find the range of the function, I will close the rational kasra. Alright, range is referring kasra, quadratic, absolute, surd, then rational. So this is rational case. So we ignore the rational here, we close the rational here, you can see the value here is 3, means your range will not equals to 3. Therefore, it will negative infinity until 3, take out, exclude the 3, 3 to infinity. So from here also we can answer that domain of F inverse is referring to the range of the function. And then we continue. If the composite function is 2x plus 1, find the gx here. So firstly, we want to find out our gx. So we don't have any gx to substitute. Therefore, we will completely substitute gx into the f here. So into the f here, x here is replaced by gx. It will be 3 gx, then gx minus 2. Alright, so this is gx, and it is equals to the answer of 2x plus 1. What we need here is find out the gx. So we do the cross multiplication. Gx times 2x, gx times 1, then negative 2 times 2x, negative 2 times 1, and we collect back all the gx here. So here we have 3gx minus gx is 2gx. We take out the gx, 2. Alright, 3gx minus gx equals to 2gx. Then after that, when you take out this gx, this is minus 2x. Then lastly, we simplify, we find out what is your gx. As you can see, all term here is in the even term. We can simplify some more. We can take out the negative 2, let's say. When we take out negative 2, this is positive 2x plus 1. Then here, when I take out negative 2, x minus 1. So negative 2 can be simplified. Our answer will be this. Okay, so that's all.